So I just took a stroll near our campsite here, and look what I found. I found salt, and not natural sea salt. It's basically just a little ditch where once seawater came in and then never came in again. And over time all the water dried off, and what's left is salt. Salt, it's crazy. If we would cook ourselves something and we wouldn't have salt, I would go here and take the salt. So we packed up and now we are heading to the street over there because we want to hitchhike to a beach that is some kilometers over there in this direction. And yeah, we really need to take a dip. We are really sweaty and we couldn't take a dip yesterday because the coast was all over yesterday, really rough, and we couldn't go in the water. Yeah, but now we are back to hitchhiking, which I'm really excited about. So this street is not really ideal because it's so straight and the cars are really fast here. I think we'll try anyway, but it's not ideal. So just now there was a car that drove past us from the opposite direction, and then they just waved at us and they made this sign, we turn around, and now they are really turning around and coming for us, and I think they are gonna pick us up. So happy. So we just got picked up by these French people here. Thank you so much for picking us up. That's so kind.
You're welcome.
So we arrived in the next tiny and cute little town here, and this is like the most northern town. And yeah, the guys brought us here in the car, and they actually drove past us the first time, and then they realized, oh, we want to take them with us, and then they turned back, gave us the sign, we are coming back. Then they reversed the car and then they came back to pick us up. Such nice guys. And now we stocked up on a little food in a supermarket, and now we are, because we had basically no water and no food whatsoever, and now we're gonna search for a little shady spot, a little a little spot in the shade to relax and to eat. Hopefully with a nice view on the water. So we had a little bit to eat, are not hungry anymore, and now we are heading out of the town again in this direction because there should be a beach. And yeah, we are really sweaty and really basically we haven't showered for days, and the last time we were in the sea was the day after was the day before yesterday, so we really need a wash and some refreshing seawater on our skin. And so far I can really say, no matter where you go in Lanzarote, the landscape just keeps staying incredible. It's like, so it's also not similar everywhere. It's like a little bit different but still special. I really like it here. So now we have to hike through this volcanic desert here. All the way over there, there's a beach, and the water looks incredible over there. Really nice blue color. So yeah, I'm really excited. But yeah, as always, it's not that easy to get there. Just really randomly we were walking through this desert here, and suddenly we came across this tiny cute little house just made out of volcanic rocks. Crazy what kind of stuff you can find here. Now look at this, a dream beach almost to ourselves. There are maybe 10 other people here. This is epic. So this place is really incredible, but there's one problem: there's no shade at all. And as you can see, we already have our hoodies on, and you know, we are the whole day in the sun. Barely any time we are in the shade, so even though we use sun cream, we really struggle with sunburn, and we already have like a slight sunburn. And now we came up with the idea to build out one of these coves the locals have built around these beaches to protect you from the wind, and we want to use a part of our tent and to hopefully create a roof with it so we can lie under it in the shade. So yeah, that's the project for today, and we'll see how it goes. Now we got like a little spot of shade. That's so nice. So we basically chilled like the whole day at this beach, at this incredible beach that we basically got for ourselves. The sun just set and now we are gonna eat some more of these delicious cans for dinner. And we also decided to camp here right on the beach in this cove over there. Yeah. So today we are camping here right at the beach, and putting up a tent in the sand is not that easy because, you know, the sand is a really soft ground and it's really windy here, and our tent has like one pole, so it can fall really easily. So we secured the whole tent with stones, and now it's like really tight, and we are gonna have another great night of sleep here.